Hello, my beautiful patrons. How are you today? Okay, I need to put the camera up a bit. Hang on a sec. See, I need to do more yoga. Okay, wait, there we go. That's better. Okay, there we go. That's too high now. Doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah, I hope you're all well. Okay, word of the day. Let's do this. The word of the day, like lots of English words, comes from German. And it's a word that we use to describe something that is tacky, or cheap, or vulgar, or overdone. So for example, imagine if you go on holiday and you want a souvenir from your holiday, right? You want something to take back and show all your friends that you went to, I don't know, you went to Athens or to... And so you buy maybe a fridge magnet, but maybe it's not a beautiful fridge magnet. Maybe it's like a fridge magnet with dolphins jumping through the air, or you know, something really like naff, cheap, tacky. I can't find the H. Where is the H? Ah, okay, and now I have to find the K. So where is the K? Maybe I missed it. How many K's do you think are in here? Oh man. Welcome to 20 minutes of man looking for letter K. I'm your host, Christian. Why is there no K? I don't understand. What? Ay, ay, ay. Oy vey. Okay, this is okay, K-I-T-S-C-H. Okay. Oh. Okay. Ta-da! Word of the day. Kitsch. Or you could say kitsch. Kitsch. Like a kitsch. Kitsch is something which is, you know, cheap and nasty. And in German, it was an informal, like a dialect word, and it meant to smear or to coat something. So, you know, it means that something is, it's too decorated, it's too much detail, it's too much. Like those really bad fridge magnets with the dolphins and the waves, you know, you get the idea, right? So yeah, kitsch. But you know, you can have cool kitsch, you know, like things which are deliberately not cool. Okay, I want to teach you about a piece of slang that right now is really popular in English. I see it every day on Facebook and Twitter, but you know, it's like rising in popularity, and then maybe in 6 months it will be gone forever. So now's the time to use it, okay? Okay, this is the phrase. You say this, you say, miss me with something. So, miss can mean like, oh, you know, I miss Australia, I want to go back to Australia. But miss can also be if I throw something at you, you're like, whoa, you miss it, right? Right? So that's what this means. It means that, okay, imagine you don't like Japanese food. Imagine you hate Japanese food. And someone says, come to my house and have Japanese. You say, whoa, miss me with the Japanese. Miss me with the Japanese food. You want the food to pass you by. Miss me. Or you can say, you know, my favorite singer is Ed Sheeran. And you say, whoa, miss me with that pop music. So if you say this like on Twitter or on Facebook or in informal conversation, you will be the coolest English student right now. Maybe. Okay, that's it for today's daily Kangaroo Digest. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you again for being here on my Patreon page. And if you're my patron, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Okay, lots of love. Bye.